Hello and welcome, my name is Carl, I'm 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. Let me just turn that down a bit, somebody's having an aneurysm on the air. So I'm here at the barn. It's I get here about once every 2 weeks now during the winter. It's my second shack. It's my remote shack. It's fantastic. So I get the whole barn, and today I'm here. I'm going to try and run some data modes properly this time, and I've also brought with me the River Coil SOTA special, and I'm just going to try that out. Even though it's getting quite late in the day, I'm going to try that out on 20 meters in a few minutes and see if I can make any contacts or see if I can receive anything on it, just to give it an initial try out. So I'm here in the barn in the middle of the Peak District, in the middle of nowhere, with a end-fed half-wave antenna running 40 meters, and then I've got the River Coil on 20. So time for experiment. I've just attached these radials, and let me just get a bit closer. These need tightening up. That one needs tightening up. I've just got the antenna analyzer. I've moved the coil so now it's in tune. It's about 1.2 to 1 on 20 meters, and I've got this up on full. And the radials, I brought the radials in to what I think is about a quarter wave. So rather than running them fully out, I've just run them to a quarter wave each. I don't know what difference is going to make, but that's what I've done anyway. Yeah, so I've got a half wave up there, and it's going down here to the wall here. I best go in because I've got the posh camera tonight. I don't want to get it wet. Right, hello again. Don't want to say hello for, we've already met. I've also brought with me, this is a on loan from G8SAR. Mark, thank you Mark. It's the Motorola SL1600. It's a DMR, it's a 70 cent, I don't think it's dual band. It's a 70 sems analog and DMR radio. It's got 10 channels, and I don't know if you can see that from here. Let's turn that off. And each of these channels is programmed in for different repeaters, either analog where it says ANA, or for, well, or DMR with specific talk groups programmed in. So I'm going to give that a go. I mean, it's only got a teeny tiny antenna on, but when I was driving up here in the car, this was picking up one of the repeaters, which is quite far off, and this was inside the car as well. So no antenna, you know, that really did surprise me. But we'll look at that go in a bit. So I've just nice. So we know it can pick up on the repeater. I'm now on 20 meters, and I'll cut some video of this in so you can see what's going on.
Here about 1200 watts at the moment to 3/3 from your country, from OptiB, over.
0 Echo Zulu Tango.
There's the G station,
So that's coming in on the meter. It's, I'd say, about a 5.5 with some QSB. I've put in the shout, but there's probably bigger stations. I'm only pushing out about 30 watts, and it's a compromised antenna from a transmit point of view, so I'm not going to push the luck with it. But yeah, receiving DX, which is it's a real nice start to it, actually.
Nice signal from Wigan, however that guy used to say it, on doing the rugby on the radio. Anyway, nice signal, Barry, 5 and 8. My name's Paul, Paul, over.
Okay, we've got another DX station here. I'll try and work out what the call sign is. All I know, he just said it's morning for him.
Thank you very much, 73, and thank you for the wonderful contact.
So in here I've got, it's a slow cooker. I brought a slow cooker with me, and in there it's got broccoli on top just warming up. But underneath that there's a red Thai curry. It's been cooking for about 4 hours now. We've got about another hour left on that, and hopefully it'll all it's a beef curry, so hopefully all the beef is nice and just falling apart in there. That'd be a nice tea. That, got a glass of wine there, kettle of a cups of tea. Happy days. I'll let you into a little secret, is I'm actually here on my birthday. Originally I was trying to get a couple of radio buddies to come and spend the night in the barn, do some radio and drink wine and eat curry, but because of the mix of different households in the UK, we're in tiers now. There's a 3-tier system. Well, there's 3 tiers in the 5-tier system. It's not confusing, honest. Tier 1 is medium, so tier 2 obviously is high, tier 3 is stupid, but below tier 1 we have another tier which is low, I guess, and then below low we have none, so that's 5 tiers, and we're in tier 1 or 2, but we're not in 3. But my radio buddies were in 1 or 2, but not in 3, but they weren't in low, they weren't in stupid either, so we just went like, do you know what, let's just not risk the confusion. So currently running FT8 obviously on 20 meters in the SOTA special. I'm getting stations coming in from over 7,000, 8,000 kilometers, being picked up by the antenna. So there's a there's definitely good reception of some DX on this quite short antenna. I've tried a couple of times to get a couple of people, but nothing yet, so I'll keep trying. Got a couple of contacts in on FT8. I've had a couple of contacts on voice as well, so the half wave end fed is working well again. I'm just about to have some tea. I've had a glass of wine. It's nice and warm in here. I've got a nice big heater behind me, so yeah, we're doing okay. Actually quite relaxing. Okay, well, tea was nice. So I was running FT8 for a while. I've had about 3 or 4 contacts on FT8 on the half wave antenna. I've now switched to Whisper, and I've just set a transmit of every 20% of the overall calls. So I'm going to run Whisper for the next hour or so. I'm just going to chill out. I've got a cup of tea, so I'm just going to see what I can receive on the half wave, and then I think I'll call it a night. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed it, can you hit that like button please, and if you're not yet subscribed, can you please subscribe? It really helps me to run the channel. So I look forward to the next video, so bye bye for now.